Welcome to another episode of Fun Finance. So, lot of subscriber were commenting this thing. So, I decided to create a video on what if there are no option buyer. So, there were like good numbers of comment on this. So, I decided to create video on this topic. So, a lot of people, what they are thinking, like a lot of people are nowadays becoming option seller. What they think that there will be a time when there will be no option buyer, and if there is no option buyer, whom these people will sell to. But this is a very hypothetical thing which can't happen in stock market like India, because our market is quite mature and it is not at that entry level market. Okay, and it's not a small market, it is a very big market. There can be some gap between the like buyer and seller, but it can't happen that there are no option buyer to whom this seller can sell. So this condition can't happen. I will share few logics behind it. So first thing is, why option option were introduced. So option are introduced for hedging and risk management. Say if you have any position and you want to hedge your position, then you go into option market, and like by buying the option you can like hedge your position, whichever position you have in the stock or in the nifty, whatever position you have, you can manage by that buying a hedge. And lot of FIs, DIs, which have like very big money in market, they have to do the hedging because their position are so big that if they go without hedging, they will have lot of problem. So this was the basic reason to introduce options in Indian market or any market. Hedging is the basic reason. Like if you believe that market may fall, you can go and buy a put. If you believe that if you have any short position in market and market may go up very significantly, then you can go and buy a call. So that's why this calls and option were introduced. But people started it like as a trading business also in call and put. So the basic thing will always stay, and so will the options. Second reason is greed. Why I am saying greed? Because in option selling you can't make money as you can make in option buying. Say if someone is doing option selling and is very good at it, he can earn 50% or 60% of his capital in a year. And I'm talking about very good people who are doing very good in this business. There can be people who can lose money, or there can be average people who might be earning from 10 to 20% of like what we say their capital. But in option buying there are good chances that 100 rupees can become 1000 rupees in a day, 1 rupees can become 50 rupees in a day. Like if the option is very near to expiry and it is trading at that range, and suddenly there is a move in a market because of some news, then suddenly the what we say, like by investing a very small chunk you can earn a larger amount. So the grid for that people, like people have a grid for earning, like by spending, and there are a lot of retail people who want to earn 10 times 15 times in a year. So that grid factor will stay in people, and that's why people will like keep buying the option. Another is capital, and I have written capital in very big because if you have noticed, SEBI have changed the margin rule, and like hedging is very much important to keep the margin in control. And if you check overall, the margin have increased. Like the previously what margin used to be required 2-3 years ago, now the margin structure have changed, and if you check, higher margin are required. So retail people, they won't have a larger margin, like they will either have a very low margin or they will have a medium margin. They generally don't have a high margin, so they generally can't do option selling on a large scale. So basically that people would be doing option buying only, because if someone have like 20,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees in that range, or 10,000 rupees, then for him to do option selling is very much difficult. There are some ways like from like if you buy the hedge and you are doing that type of trading, but in that the return is very less. And as I explained in my previous thing, that retail people generally have a grid. Okay, so that grid and the type of capital required, right, that is not sufficient for the retail people. So as they don't have capital to sell it, they will obviously, with the less money, they will buy it. So this is my opinion on that. There won't be a condition where the situation be like this, that there are no option buyer and option seller. See, from the case to case, the demand and supply can go up and down, but there won't be a situation where there is no option buyer. Okay, Nifty, and I'm talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'm not talking about any stock specific. I'm talking about the index option, which generally a lot of large people, FIs and DIs normally trade or buy for hedge. Okay, so I don't think so there is any worry. Do share your opinion in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. I have created a series on option selling. You can check that series as well. There are a lot of videos on option selling and core CV. You can check the same in the playlist. And if you want to support our work, you can sign up to any brokers we are associated with that. Thank you. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.